Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, selamat malam. Welcome to Pendopo Lobby. I'm Nirmala Trisna, your MC for this evening. And on behalf of the Apurva Kempinski Bali, we would like to thank everyone for coming. And indeed, we are grateful that each and every one of us are blessed with health and happiness. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we are celebrating the inception of Unity in Diversity campaign by the Apurva Kempinski Bali. The deep pride that is shared by all Indonesians with immense difference among multi-ethnic group and the diverse culture in this country is stated as Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, the national motto of Indonesia, unity in diversity. Tonight, we are going to take you to explore the fascinating and mesmerizing diversity of Indonesia, as how the Apurva Kempinski Bali throughout the year 2022 will take us to enjoy and explore and learn more about the essence of 7 main regions of the archipelago. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to start the evening is the sound that is familiar for most of us. That will be followed by a performance choreographed to commemorate important occasion. We will be amazed by distinct chest patting, thigh slapping, body movements in different directions at the rhythm. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Rampak Kendang from Java and Saman from Aceh. Ladies and gentlemen, that was our welcome gesture to you for this kickoff of Unity in Diversity campaign by the Apurva Kempinski Bali. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, now we would like to welcome the General Manager of the Apurva Kempinski Bali, Mr. Vincent Guirone. This evening, we have the honor of the presence of the Governor of Bali Province, and we would like to invite to deliver remarks in this special occasion, Bapak Wayan Koster. Terima kasih, Gubernur Wayan Koster. Thank you for the speech. And as the Governor has another schedule that has been arranged, we totally understand that Governor Koster will depart this venue to move forward to his next agenda. Kami persilahkan Bapak Gubernur Wayan Koster untuk melanjutkan ke agenda acara berikutnya. Sekali lagi terima kasih, kita beri aplaus untuk Gubernur Provinsi Bali atas kehadirannya pada malam hari ini. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, as mentioned earlier, tonight is the inception of Unity in Diversity campaign. And now we are proud to unveil this special program that will run through 2022 from the Apurva Kempinski Bali. This is Unity in Diversity.